Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to take a look at this 850mm wide single-sided light box. I'm very excited to introduce to you the latest in the IllumiGo range. This is the IllumiGo One. So this comes to share some of the features we come to expect from the premium brand of the IllumiGo, such as the silicon edge graphics, the branded carry box, and that iconic white finish. Unlike the standard IllumiGo range, this is actually a backlit option, which is supported with a rollable LED panel. So the LED panel fits into the back of the frame, much like the SEG graphic does. Simply fold over the edges, push it into place all the way around the frame, and then plug in the base, and you're good to go. As with all the IllumiGo range, the IllumiGo One is a completely toolless system. An easy to follow number-in system, this can be built in a matter of minutes. The LED curtain allows for an even spread of light, stopping any hot spotting. It's also complemented with a tapered frame, which gives an even better spread of light. The IllumiGo One is a single-sided illuminated graphic. It does also support a non-illuminated rear graphic, which means you can maximize foot flow in either direction. And there you have it, the all-new IllumiGo One. This is in stock and available now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.